Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Consistent with the themes of wilderness survival, deductive reasoning, and communion with nature, I've devised a small orienteering challenge. On this map, 4 locations are identified. Our task is to navigate to each one in sequence and locate a marker. At each marker, additional information is contained outlining some task. Now, that's all I'll say for now to allow anticipation to heighten our experience. Good luck. Let us begin.
You can do anything. I'd appreciate it if you could get this one angle at the back. That's a river.
Fire and water. Dehydration and hypothermia are 2 of the greatest dangers facing an individual in the wilderness setting. If one has the means to create a fire, both thermoregulation and water purification are accessible. Drinking our own pee. Task: bring 8 ounces of water to a boil. Recommendation: groups of 2 should work collaboratively on devising and implementing their own method of holding water and starting fire. The team with the most effective strategy will claim bragging rights and earn the title Hand of Fire.
So we have to get water to boil.
Lighter.
Oh my god.
Our water's boiling.
I kind of just impressed myself. Us. You got it.
There's garbage virtually everywhere on Earth that you go. I found what seems to be a plastic peanut butter jar. This will work fine as a water container. So my plastic container will melt if I have it in direct contact with the fire. So I'm going to try to bring the water up to a boil by dropping some heated rocks inside there. Let's see if these rocks are ready and if it'll work. Alright, maybe another. That water's steaming. A couple more rocks will do it, maybe. There we go. There's some boiling water. Maybe one more just for assurance. Oh.
To get off the tracks. And it is through our intellect that we have designed systems of thought to measure the natural world and peer into the mind of God. Task: locate the tree marked with the symbol red triangle.
Yellow.
At the compass bearing 145 degrees. Compass man. And measure its height to the nearest foot. Oh, math teachers. Okay. Recommendations: groups of 2 should work collaboratively on devising and implementing their own method of measurement. As determined by the collective group, the team with the most elegant and efficient method will win bragging rights and the title, Geometer.
Reasons north, right? Somehow use this to figure out like the compass, the angle that we're looking up by tilting maybe? This way?
I don't think you can go vertical.
It just does like horizontal angles. Where north is. I'm pretty sure. I've never used it.
I do have some resources in my backpack.
Yes, thank you.
So we found this rusty top that will hold water. My idea is to fill it with water and place it in a position such that we'd be able to see the reflection of the top of the tree in the water. The physics of the light reflecting off of the water works out where this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, the smaller triangle formed from the distance from the reflective surface to my body and then the height to my eye is similar and therefore proportional to this larger triangle formed from the distance between the reflective surface and the base of the tree and then the height of the tree.
The hunter. Hunting and gathering was the sole method for mankind to make a living for thousands of years. Even after the Neolithic Revolution, agricultural peoples still used hunting to supplement their lifestyle. Task: construct and shoot a bow and arrow.
Oh! There you go. Oh!
Camera. Okay.
Oh.
Station 4, it's entitled The Amulet. The use of amulets and talisman have guided people through the unknown since the beginning of time and buoyed their spirits. At times, they serve as a tangible representation of one's own self-confidence and internal fortitude. Task: retrieve your team's lost amulet from the moving waters just downstream of the dare. Take these amulets as a souvenir of the day's events and use them to guide you through the unknown in your life.